welcome back to our channel Vizag Arts World. Today I am going to create 3 beautiful paintings. So let's get started. First, I am starting with the simple light LED bulb. A bulb is more than just light. It reminds us that every great idea begins with a small spark. With every brush stroke, this painting slowly comes to life. A single light can remove the darkest night. A bulb may stop shining one day, but the love for our nation never does. So when I painted the Indian flag on this old LED bulb, I realized that some lights are not meant to illuminate homes, they are meant to illuminate hearts. And an old bulb had stopped giving light, but it still had a purpose, right? So when it was painted with the Indian tricolor, it began to spread a different kind of light. The light of patriotism. Some lights never fade, right? And this is the final output of our Indian national flag using LED bulb. Now, let's paint a beautiful green leaf. A leaf represents nature, hope, and a new beginnings. Every shade of green reminds us to protect and love our environment. Here first I painted the base coat with the white acrylic color, and next I carefully painted the tricolor on a leaf while preserving its unique shape and texture. This artwork represents the harmony between nature and our nation, reminding us that protecting our environment is also a way of serving our nation, India. Wearing the colors of the Indian flag, it became a symbol of love for our nature and love for the nation. So this is the final output of our Indian national flag painting using leaf. And next I used Diwali Chakra. A Diwali Chakra is meant to shine for just a few moments, but this one found a new life. First, apply 2 coats of white color as a base on the Diwali Chakra, painted with the Indian tricolor. Its sparkle became a lasting reminder that our love for India shines every single day, not just during festivals. A simple Diwali Chakra has been transformed into a beautiful patriotic decoration featuring the Indian tricolor. It proves that ordinary materials can become the extraordinary works of art with a little imagination and effort. So here is the final output of our Indian national flag painting using Diwali Chakra. And each of these paintings carries the spirit of India. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment and subscribe our channel Vizag Arts World.